Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about a quick fix on the Beats Studio Pro not connecting to iPhone. So number one, check the location. Place your Beats products and your paired device within 30 feet of each other. Move both devices away from Bluetooth devices, microwaves, wireless routers, and other electronics. Check the sound settings. On your iOS device, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select your Beats. On your Mac, choose Apple, Menu, System Settings, then click Sound, and then select your Beats product in the output and input panes. Check the volume. Make sure that both your Beat products and your Bluetooth device are charged and turned on. Play a track that you downloaded to your device, not a streaming audio. Increase the volume on your Beats product and on the paired Bluetooth device. Use Forget Device, then pair your Beats again. Disconnect your Beats product. On your iOS device, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and tap the I button next to the name of your Beats product, then tap Forget this device. Then pair your Beats product again. Reset your Beats product, then pair them again. Reset your headphones, then pair your Beats product with your device again. That's it. Thanks for watching.